Okay, today we're looking at a 2015 certified pre-owned Honda CRV EXL. It's got 40,000 miles on it. All right, alabaster silver metallic in color. It's got a clean Carfax, one owner. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney, Salinas Honda. We'll go ahead and walk around the vehicle. Start here on the driver's side. Got the nice chrome trim around the windows. Got your lock unlock button here on the door handle. It is equipped with sunroof. The driver's side of the CRV is in great condition. Alright, it is equipped with rear backup camera. Make our way down the passenger side. And once again, got the lock unlock button here on the door handles. Got your blind spot monitoring camera. We'll show you that in just a second. But once again, it's a certified 40,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. Purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. This thing's in fantastic condition. Let's go ahead and take a look on the inside. The black and gray door panels, nice perforated insert right here. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Got your econ button here, your blind spot monitor camera button there. Does have gray leather seats, power driver seat. Driver seat's in great shape. There's another shot of the sunroof for you. Center armrest, got the HDMI, 2 USB, and a power outlet. Passenger seat leather looks great. No problems at all there. Does come with 2 keyless entry key fobs. Okay, got your heated seats there with another power outlet. It is an automatic. Push button start, dual climate controls. It's got your radio display, backup camera, and blind spot monitoring camera display, and we'll show you that in just a second. Leather wrapped steering wheel audio controls, and Bluetooth. Let's go ahead and take a look at the mileage. Okay, it's got 40,828 miles. Now that we've got it started, we'll go ahead and show you these display screens here. This one's going to have your date, time, coordinates. Then it's got your apps right here on this screen. Okay. It's your dual climate controls here. Push button start. Okay, let's go ahead and engage the backup camera. That's going to be on the lower screen here. Got your guidelines there as well. Change your view of the camera right here. Go ahead and look at the blind spot monitoring camera. All right, same thing here. It's a visual of your blind spot. It's a safety feature that Honda offers. One of my favorites. All right, and then once again, automatic. Got your heated seats right there. Okay, let's go ahead and hop out. We'll take a look in the back. All right, door panels here look great. Back seat carpet's in fantastic condition. No staining back there. Back seat leather looks good. No issues at all. Right. Vehicle's well taken care of. 40,000 miles, 2015. Right, give you the driver's eye view of the dash and the layout. All right, let's take a look in the back. Got the nice plastic protector mat back here. Spare tire there, the jack. All right, you can see how much room you got back here, a ton of room. All right, in these CRVs, you got the handles on either side. You simply pull the handle, that's going to lower the seats down for you. Okay, same thing on this side. And then when those seats are down, you can really see how much it opens it up back there. Seats are very light, very durable. Simply just push them back up so they click into place. Same thing on this side. Let me just pop them up there, pop it right back into place. Let's take a look at the wheels and tires. So we've got 17-inch alloys. All right. Tires are in great shape. It's a brand new set of tires. All right, once again, it's a 15. It's certified. It's got 40,000 miles, clean Carfax, one owner. This thing's in phenomenal condition inside and out. It was purchased brand new here at McKenney Salinas Honda. Come down, check it out, take a test drive, and thanks for watching the video.